And can you give us a general overview of public health emergency end dates, when things end, and what we should generally know about those?
Yeah, so as many of you all know, at the beginning of COVID, the pandemic, the federal government declared a public health emergency. The state agencies are required to continue healthcare coverage for all medical assistance programs, even if someone's eligibility changes. The PHE has been extended for 90 days. So this extension started April 16 and runs through July 15. So the Biden administration has indicated that they will give the states 60 days notice prior to formally ending the PHE.
Very valuable information there, Hilda. And I know you kind of touched on it a little bit there, but what does the process look like after PHE ends? What should people generally know?
Yes, so after the PHE ends, if a member is no longer eligible for Health First Colorado or CHP, they will receive a notice of when their enrollment ends. They will receive information on how to appeal, information about options for purchasing other healthcare coverage.
And are there any other shifts in COVID-19 insurance or even in taxes that people should be aware of or know about?
Yes, so members who are not eligible for Medicare CHP, like I said before, they can purchase health insurance through the state's official health insurance marketplace with Connect for Health Colorado. And they can do it within 60 days of losing their coverage, anytime during open enrollment. And here at Servicios de la Raza, we can help with the process.
Well, Hilda, thank you so much for that overview in both English and in Spanish. I know that is a very valuable service for our viewers. And again, I know that Servicios de la Raza, that you are a big part of putting that together. So thank you so much for taking the time to kind of explain a lot of those complicated nuances with us today.
Thank you, Chris.
And again, if you have a question, either English or in Spanish for Hilda or for our other regular guests about COVID-19 and how it may impact your life, again, either English or in Spanish, you can email me at chris.bianchi@9news.com, and I'll make sure that it is answered in the coming weeks. But in the meantime, that will do it for this week's look at COVID-19 in the Hispanic community here in Colorado. Gracias a todos. Thanks to everyone, and we'll see you again here next week. And thanks again to Hilda Gonzalez for joining us today.
Thanks.